Hong Kong MTR Corporation is one of the world's leading railway operators. With an average weekday patronage of nearly 5.3 million passengers, it is also one of the most profitable systems in the world. The market capital of MTR Corporation in Hong Kong exchanges values over 150 billion Hong Kong dollars, ranking the first among infrastructure construction companies. It made a mega profit of 8.6 billion Hong Kong dollars last year, mainly generated from its residential and commercial projects. However, only 1.5% has been used to share with passengers in the form of discounts. We collected some thoughts from its customers and wish the corporation can listen to the public more. Most Hong Kong citizens know the MTR Corporation possesses considerable assets.
知㗎，佢啲地鐵嗰啲上蓋嗰啲係嘅資產嚟嘅，通識嚟嘅，啲常識嚟嘅都係屬於。
知道，即係其實佢地產項目嗰度其實都係應該係津貼咗我哋乘客嘅價錢，我覺得咯，我自己覺得。
However, about how large their business is, they seldom know.
幾多我就真係唔知道，但我知道佢地鐵嘅物業應該係有好多。
Today, the corporation is involved in a wide range of business activities in addition to its railway operations. Among them, one significant is the development of residential and commercial projects. Century Gateway is one of the residential objects MTR Corporation constructed in Tuen Mun. It has around 111,000 square meters, providing 2,011 units. MTR Corporation also constructs commercial projects. Take shopping center as an example. It owns 1 luxury mall, 3 regional malls, and 8 neighborhood malls. Luk Yun Galleria, one of the neighborhood malls, has 85 shops with a total area of 16,500 square meters. In terms of advertising, MTR Advertisements is the #1 out-of-home advertising system in Hong Kong. For example, if an organization wants to display its advertising package of 75 panels 1 week per month for a year, it will cost around 1 million Hong Kong dollars. In the past 5 years, MTR Corporation increased its price constantly. In 2014, the MTR Corporation announced a 3.6% fare increase. Starting from 2010, the overall price has risen about 17%. Some people complain about the constant increase in price, while others think rising the price is quite understandable. The corporation claims that the rise of price is in line with the fare adjustment mechanism, which considers inflation.
經濟上有增長嘅，工資有增長，喺嗰個物價方面有增長咧，固然嗰個營運鐵路嘅成本都係增加嘅，咁所以可加可減係反映呢啲咁嘅重要嘅數據嘅變動嘅。
Indeed, a lot of people appreciate MTR Corporation's efforts on its services.
咁係價錢點會比即係的士平啊？都好啊，因為其實個班次其實都好多啊。咁你覺得而家 MTR 方唔方便？方便就真係好方便嘅，佢點對點，同埋一定唔會塞車，除非佢有事故啦。呢個線上嘅要未諗法？
經常加咯，我覺得佢，同埋佢之前都會有啲優惠嘅，但係而家少咗好多，即係譬如10送1啊嗰啲啊，咁而家就得翻個早啲搭車會有 discount， 咁但係其實冇可能早噶嘛，已經夜瞓覺啦，仲早咩咧？咁其實用唔到咯個優惠。
加咧呢個就
最好唔好加。因為合理啫，但係如果再加就會影響到嗰啲市民嘅負擔。服務都係算好嘅，但係咧佢故障嘅事件太多，即係佢嗰個維修啊、管理方面可能出到啲問題。
They expect the corporation to show more improvements in various aspects.
應該出翻多啲真係優惠到市民嘅可以 package 咁，譬如你過海1個月過可能5日嘅，咁你就要將個價格調低3至4蚊啦。呢啲就真係有幫助啦。你1、2蚊其實真係冇用咯。最好就增加多啲衞生間，咁啲乘客會方便好多。
嚇，咁唔好話一定要啲乘客揾職員先至可以揾到衞生監，每一個站都會有咧，咁啲乘客會好好多咯。
其實可以做好多嘢嘅，譬如喺啲沿線嗰度做啲教育嗰啲嘢啊，因為好多個資源啊，喺啲壁報啊，或者喺嗰啲廣播做好多好多。
The MTR Corporation is the only profitable subway system in the world. However, as an organization providing public service, we think the MTR Corporation should prioritize social responsibility over making profits to benefit the public.